Welcome back to Digitech Dynamo. In today's project, we're building a secure fingerprint-based door access system using an Arduino, fingerprint sensor, servo motor, LCD, and a buzzer. This setup is ideal for home or office security systems. Let's get started. Components list 1x Arduino board, 1x fingerprint sensor, 1x servo motor, 1x 16x2 I2C LCD display, 1x buzzer jumper wires and breadboard. First, we will configure the fingerprint sensor. For that, we have to download Adafruit Fingerprint Sensor library from Arduino library. Then we will open Arduino IDE or click on File or Example or scroll or click on Adafruit Fingerprint Sensor library or click on Enroll or a new Arduino page will open. Then we will install the fingerprint sensor and upload the code. After that, we will open the serial monitor and put our finger on the sensor and upload the data. After the finger is uploaded to the sensor, we will upload the fingerprint code to the Arduino and check it as mentioned below. Let's wire everything up. We'll connect the fingerprint sensor to the serial pins, the servo motor to pin 9, the LCD display via the I2C interface, and the buzzer to pin 8. Make sure the connections are secure, with the fingerprint sensors TX and RX connected to pins 2 and 3, the I2C LCD connected to SDA and SCL, and the servo's signal wire going to pin 9. Next, we upload the code. This code initializes the fingerprint sensor, controls the servo for granting access, and displays messages on the LCD screen. When a registered fingerprint is detected, the servo motor moves to unlock the door, and the LCD displays access granted. If an unregistered fingerprint is detected, the system triggers the buzzer and displays unauthorized scan. Now let's test it out. I'll place my registered fingerprint on the sensor. As you can see, the system detected my fingerprint, granted access by unlocking the servo, and displayed the correct message on the LCD. Let's try an unregistered fingerprint. This time, the buzzer will alert us, and access will be denied. And that's how you can build your own fingerprint-based door access system. It's a perfect project to enhance security for your home or office. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Digitech Dynamo, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future projects. Thanks for watching.